Hello and welcome, law firm leaders. I'm Austin Uribor with NETFLY, bringing you the keys to unlock the full potential of your law firm's online presence. Today, we're diving into the world of SEO, specifically simplified for law firms. Let's get started. SEO, or search engine optimization, is more than a buzzword. It's a crucial tool in leading potential clients right to your digital doorstep. First up, your website. This is your firm's digital HQ. It needs to be sleek, fast, mobile responsive. Remember, sleek, fast, mobile responsive. Remember, your website is often the first interaction a potential client has with your firm. Content. Content is king in the world of SEO. Regular updates with relevant blogs, articles, and multimedia elements like videos and infographics keep your site fresh and engaging. On-page SEO is your next step. From compelling titles and meta descriptions to structured data and internal linking, every element counts towards making your pages irresistible to search engines. Then there's off-page SEO. Think of it as building your firm's reputation beyond your website. High-quality backlinks, social media engagement, local SEO practices, PR. All of these things are pivotal, and they all work together to create the right signals that the algorithms need to rank you higher than your competition. Now, let's talk measurement. Tools like Google Analytics are your best friends here, okay? They help track your progress, understand visitor behavior, and refine your strategies as you go along. But watch out for common SEO pitfalls, things like keyword stuffing, neglecting mobile optimization, inconsistent content. These are all things that can derail your efforts really quickly, really easily. And they can ruin the return on investment from a search engine optimization campaign. So staying updated with the latest SEO trends and best practices is crucial in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, it's this ongoing journey. So you really should feel a responsibility to yourself to stay on top of SEO latest trends. Remember, you're not outsourcing knowledge so much as you're just outsourcing the labor behind that knowledge. You should understand how search engine optimization works just as well as the people that are working for you. And they should be more than willing to help you understand the work that they do and why they do it the way they do. And that's a wrap on SEO Simplified for law firms. Implementing these strategies can propel your firm to new heights in the digital world. I'm Austin Uribor, we're NETFLY. We're here to help you navigate this journey. Remember, in the world of digital marketing, being visible is being victorious. See you next time.